Senator Gatchalian na may mga DI personnel na may alam and you were allegedly kept in the dark daw po,
Oh,
sir.
yes, definitely. So DOJ, I was just with the secretary earlier today. Is almost finished with a very thorough investigation, and we will identify all of those who have all of those who are involved in this, and we will act very quickly.
Sir, pero meron na po kayong idea on whose heads will roll?
Very, very good idea. I have a very good idea.
From DI, sir?
From
DI?
DI.
How many are they? Ilan sila, sir?
Well, that's not. We'll see. That's what the last part of this is. How far, how deep does it go? Isa lang bang taong involved? O marami sila? O sindikato ito? That's what we are looking at.
How high?